I'm Brock Hessler, Director of Membership with the Indiana Chamber of Commerce. For 95 years, the Chamber has been representing member interest in helping meet member needs. Among the biggest needs in recent years and today is workforce. The Chamber has been, and will continue to, attack this challenge from a variety of perspectives.
We're hearing from employers day in and day out across the state about how much workforce issues are a significant issue for them across the state of Indiana. And that we're following through with that at the State House with policy. Last legislative session, the governor, along with leadership from the Department of Workforce Development, the Commission for Higher Education, as well as with the Indiana Chamber of Commerce, worked together to create some public policy to help streamline workforce initiatives from all different agencies across the state. There's millions of dollars that are being poured in to some of these programs, and we want to ensure that every dollar spent towards workforce initiatives are going towards high demand, high need jobs across the state. The Indiana Chamber worked with the governor's office and different governmental agencies to help create an employer training grant program, which would allow for $2,500 per new employee that is hired and will be available to use for training so that employers across the state can help skill up their own employees.
You think about the business community, we're the #1 consumer of what the product of the education system is. And so the Chamber's recognized that role for some time, and we've done a lot of things over the years to try to meet the needs of what we hear from our members and also the business community for the students coming in. And the Chamber was really innovative in terms of how we were able to measure that and identify a number of people who are current adults who did not have the skills to basically get 21st century jobs. That led to several other studies, and it was basically a demand-side strategy for workforce needs. For example, we've done for over 10 years now an annual survey of employers on their workforce needs. So in addition to finding out what's going on today, we're also able to draw back and look at some longitudinal information to see how things have changed over the years, over the past decade, and we plan to continue that going forward. It's very valuable information.
Indiana Internet is a free internship matching program. We work with Indiana employers, all of the colleges and universities, high schools, and anyone seeking internships. We really have resources to help employers to know how to start an internship program and expand them. And then through our website, indianaintern.net, we connect employers with students who are seeking internship opportunities. indianaintern.net has over 7,000 employers on the site and at over 4,000 active students. Last year we had over 3,000 active postings on the site alone. Well, increasingly employers are recognizing the value of internships in fueling their talent pipelines. Internships can not only increase their productivity but reduce the recruiting cost, and at the same time give an employer an opportunity to see how the intern performs and if they fit the culture of that organization. Indiana Internet is a free service to any Indiana employer and anyone seeking internships.
The wellness conversation has really evolved to a $6 billion industry. What was once about food and fitness is really about mindfulness, population health, data, sleep, corporate social responsibility, and so much more. The Wellness Council of Indiana works collaboratively with employers to help them establish their culture of well-being within their workplace. They help them lay those foundational elements and ultimately creating a culture of wellness within the workplace. An investment in an employee well-being program is definitely an investment in the company. When companies are looking to either hire new employees or maybe they're relocating to a new location, employee health is really important. A healthy employee is an engaged employee, is a productive employee. The Wellness Council is here to support companies on their wellness journey. We are here to provide them the tools and resources that they need to establish a culture of well-being amongst their workforce.
These are just some of the ways the Indiana Chamber helps employers with workforce challenges. In addition, many of our conferences and seminars focus on developing the skills and abilities of existing employees. As our Indiana Vision 2025 plan states, our goal is for Indiana to be a global leader in innovation and economic opportunity where enterprises and citizens prosper. Let us know how we can help your organization.